In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Lewitt MTP5 dynamic microphone. This mic is currently sold in two different models, the standard version for $109 and the switch version for $119. In the box, you'll get the microphone, a windscreen, a mic stand clip, and a leather pouch to store the mic. Looking at the design, this microphone has a sleek black finish. Both the grill and the body are fully made of metal, so it feels very sturdy, and it's definitely the type of gear that's going to withstand long-term use. The switch model also lets you turn the mic on and off, and because of its cupping safe design, it's going to prevent any loss in tone regardless of how you hold the microphone. As you can see, whether I hold the body or the grill of the microphone, there's no change in sound quality. Going over the specs, this is a dynamic microphone, so you can connect it to any audio interface or sound mixer with an XLR cable. It has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it's most sensitive from the front and it's going to reject sound coming from the sides and the rear of the microphone. Lewitt has even stated that this mic was designed to reject high-frequency content coming from other on-stage instruments like drums. And when looking at its frequency response graph, it has a roll-off starting at 200 Hz and a slight treble boost between 3 to 10,000 Hz, giving this microphone a modern sound. So now let's do some audio tests so you can hear this microphone in action. You're listening to the Lewitt MTP5 dynamic microphone, and this is how it sounds straight out of the box. Now you're listening to the Lewitt MTP5 with a bit of EQ applied, and this is how it sounds. Even though this is a handheld microphone, nothing's stopping you from placing it on a mic stand. So whether you're a content creator or podcaster, this is what your setup can look and sound like for around $100. Next, let's do a plosive test. Peter Parker plays Pokemon. Peter Parker plays Pokemon. And finally, singing vocals. To catch them is my real test. To train them, it's my cause. What if I say I'm trying to save your love from dying? Baby, I'm too far gone. So what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend this mic to? Before I share them with you, if you enjoyed this review and want to watch more content like this, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Starting with the pros, for around $100, you're getting a well-built microphone, some nice accessories, and at this price point, I think it sounds great. The cupping safe design is also a nice feature to have, and this mic can be used for any vocal application, so going forward, I will be recommending it to any beginner, whether you're a singer, content creator, or podcaster. But now, let's talk about the cons. To be honest, I don't have much to say here, but I do have two critiques. Number one, the windscreen is not so easy to put on the microphone, so you can't just slide it on. You do have to put some force to get it in place. And number two, I don't understand why they're selling two versions of this microphone with only a $10 difference for the switch, because to me, that should have been the standard version to begin with, but I guess you get to choose which one you want. Now, one of the most common questions people will ask is, should I buy this microphone or the Shure SM58? Even though I don't currently own an SM58, I've been a singer for over 20 years and used that mic on multiple occasions, so in my opinion, it's really gonna come down to sound preference. If you prefer microphones with more of a vintage tone, having more bass and low mids, chances are you will favor the SM58. But if you prefer microphones with more of a modern, bright sound, having more detail in the high frequencies so you can cut through a mix a little bit better, chances are you will favor the MTP5. If you want to buy this mic, the links are down in the description below. And if you also want to learn how to mix vocals recorded on this specific mic model, then go ahead and click right here, and I'll see you in the next video.